This video will walk you through how to configure the settings for Librarian Recommends lists within the Syndetics Unbound admin site. We're going to start under the Lists button. This page tells you a bit about lists, including how many lists your library has created and how to invite your staff to make lists. Now we'll go to List Settings. The first toggle determines whether you'd like your own library staff to be able to create lists. If you want Librarian Recommends lists to be a read-only feature, that is, your patrons can see lists in the catalog, but your staff won't be making any, choose No here. You can also decide if you'd like the list that your library makes to be shared with other Syndetics Unbound libraries. We default this to On so that you can benefit from the creativity and expertise of other librarians. Note that at any time, an individual list can be marked as unshareable despite this setting. So you can generally share lists, and then if you make a list that's super specific to your library, an event you're having, local history, new acquisitions, you can set just that list not to share. Under Display Settings, you determine which lists from outside your library are shown in the catalog. First up is whether to include lists created by other libraries using Syndetics Unbound. Next, we have whether to show lists created by Syndetics Unbound staff. So this includes what's new and trending by genre, and we have a set of genres geared to public libraries and a different set that's more academic focused. We also have lists that are hand curated by our team of librarians, and that includes various topic and genre guides, recommendations, and more. And you can limit the external sites you've chosen above by type. So you might choose to show lists from other libraries and from Syndetics Unbound staff, but only those designated as public library lists. Lastly, while we're in the Syndetics Unbound admin, I want to talk about your uploaded holdings. Librarian Recommends lists really relies on having your holdings up to date so that we know about all the new releases you've acquired. I should also note that external lists from Syndetics Unbound staff and other libraries will only display if your collection includes at least 4 items from that list. Under Holdings, you can see the date of your last upload and how many records we have indexed for your library right now. You can update your holdings via FTP with the web upload right here, or even by API for a few systems. That's it. Happy list making.